Hello folks, this is Elias with EH Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to remove unnecessary temporary data from your Windows PC. It's very simple and you can do it automatically. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Start here and then go to the search box, type in Settings. Oh, can't type it in. So type in Settings, get into the Settings box, and then click on System. Once you go to System, you want to go to Storage. Click on Storage, and then right here you're going to see a little box that says Configure Storage Sense. Very easy stuff. So you click on that, then you're going to have this page here come up, and then you want to make sure that you have it activated. In this case, I've been using it, so I have it activated, but if you click on the little box and make sure that it's on, then you have the option to select when you want Storage Sense to run. In my case, I always have it running at every day, because I want to make sure that any data that I don't really need gets removed and everything is always clear. So I select every day. You have the option to select every week, every month, or during low free, when you have very little disk space. So you want to make sure that you pick the one that you think it's the one that would work for you. You can also have the temporary files deleted and basically put one day if you want to. So if you have temporary files that, cookies and things that are being downloaded, it'll actually delete them every day if basically you have a lot of stuff. So it's pretty simple stuff. You just make sure that you have either one day selected or you have 14 days. In my case, I put one day because I don't really want to keep those files. Some people opt in to actually click on the downloads folder and have anything that they download deleted. You can actually do that if you'd like. I don't recommend it because sometimes you can download a song or something and you can delete it and you don't want to delete it. So it really depends on you and what you need. So you click on that, and that's pretty much it. You can also if you want to clear up the space, you can actually click on here at the bottom where it says Clear Now, and it'll clear up any space that you may have. But that is pretty much it. Make sure to like this video. We're gonna have more tutorials like this as we go on. Make sure, like I said, subscribe to this channel. We're gonna have tons of content coming in, different types of tutorials. So signing off, this is Elias. Take care, everybody.